The 5 most expensive flowers in the world. You won't believe the price of the last one. Number 5. Saffron crocus. It is purple in color, but its rich yellow stamens make it more unique. Saffron is better known as a spice than a flower, but it is still commonly sold as a flower. Price: $1,500 per book. Number 4. Kinabalu orchid gold. The gold of Kinabalu orchid is found only in Kinabalu National Park in Malaysia. Also known as Rothschild slipper orchid, is a species of large, light-leaved orchid. Price: $5,000 per stick. Number 3. Nongke orchid from Shenzhen. This beautiful flower was developed in the laboratory. The orchid took researchers 8 years to develop. In 2005, it was sold at auction for the sum. Price of a flower: $202,000. Number 2. Julietta rose. It debuted in 2006 at the Chelsea Flower Show and took the floral world by storm, not only for its elegancy and blushing beauty, but also because it was one of the most expensive flowers ever developed. Price: $16 million. Number 1. Kadapool flower, an ephemeral beauty that blooms as rarely as once a year. When it flowers, it does so in the darkness of night and withers before dawn. It is a flower that cannot be picked without causing damage. Price: this flower is priceless.